Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil and in this Laravel video tutorial we will learn about the seeding in Laravel. So first question is what is the seeding in Laravel, then we will generate a seeder file, then we will add some data to this seeder file, then we will run this seeding for the database, and at the last I will ask you an intro question. So what is basically seeding? So seeding simply means just adding some dummy data to the database through the Laravel command line, right? So why we are using the Laravel command line, why we are not directly adding some dummy data? Because first thing is this is very time consuming, and if 10 or 12 guys are working on a single project, then all guys need to just add some data, dummy data on the table, and this is not a good practice. What one developer can do, one developer can just simply add some seeding files, and then he can just distribute these all file to the every developer, and every developer will run a one command line on PC, and the every guy have the same database now, right? So now let's see how we can just add some dummy data through the Laravel in the database. So first of all, what you need to do, so let me just delete my previous file first of all, which is not required for a moment. I will just make it again, right? So I have a table name with the members, so I just want to add some dummy data in this table through the Laravel seeder. So how can I do it? First of all, I need a seeder file, so just write here php artisan make seeder and your seeder file name. So let's say my seeder file name can be a members seeder or members collection, whatever I want to put. But if I just put a member seeder, that will help you to understand what this file will actually do, right? So I will just going to put here members seeder, right, and enter it. Now you can see that we got a file inside the seeder, and here it is. For a moment you will just get this blank file. So now you have to decide that what you want to do with this file. So we want to just add some dummy data. So then first of all we need to import the db file. So just write here use illuminate, then just simply put support. I think I just misspell it, yeah, right. Then or just write me again, right? So illuminate, then I can just put here support, then just put facade, and then just put here db, right? And with that we need one more file which is for the string. So let's copy it and just simply paste it, and in the support let's import the str. Now I just want to add some data on a members file. So just simply put here db colon table name is members, just put here insert, and insert function actually just get the array, and just put here name is basically a one field, right? Then we can just add some dummy data inside it. So just use here str colon random. So just use here random function, and with that just simply put here like how many random values you need. So for example we need the 10 values, right? 10 characters. For second one for the email address, and third one for the name, because we have the 3 fields in this table. So you can just check out here structure. We have the id will basically auto generated, so name, email, and address. We need these 3 fields. So name is here, email address, and then at the last we can add here address, and here we can add the @gmail.com. so it look like actually you can say that email address, right? And just add it like here, and yep, I need to just close the single quotes, alright, and just add the semicolon in this last of the statement. So now this seeding is basically ready. So now we can just enter in the database. For that we need again a command. So just simply write here php artisan db seed minus minus class equal to your class name. So my class name is basically member, it's basically members seeder, right? Hit the enter. Now you can see that database seeding completed successfully. Now just go to this table and now you can find there just okay. So now you can see that one entry here, right? So if you just want to make the another entry, you can just run it again and you will find the another entry here. So let's say you just want to add some 50 or hundreds of data, then you can use here the for loop or while loop, whatever you want here, right? So that's all about the seeding, that how you can just enter the data. Now it's time to my interview question. So interview question is, so let's say we have the 10 seeder files, so we can just create here 10 seeders for every table in the database. Then how I can run all these files, right? Because at the time I just told you that how we can run the single file, but how we can run the multiple seedings for the database at a single time. You can comment this questions answer in the comment section if you want. And thanks for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. God bless you.